Hey, what's up, guys? Okay, so how to install? All you have to do is copy this, okay, all the way to reboot, okay. Copy, then open up your favorite SSH client. Mine is the Mine is MOBA X term, okay, because it has SSH at the same time. You can download your videos here. Okay, so right now, so over here where the cursor is, all you have to do is right click, it will paste the command. Okay, so basically what it says here, cd data, it will go to the data folder, and it will remove Openpilot. Okay, because there's an whenever you turn on your C3, it will always look for Openpilot. Okay, so you're gonna remove it, and then you're gonna git clone the branch into an Openpilot folder. So it will make a new folder of Openpilot, name Openpilot, since we remove the Openpilot here. Okay, and here's the branch, the specific branch that you're gonna clone. Okay, so basically you're not cloning the whole repo, so only one branch, so it's faster. And then after the cloning, it will reboot your device. Okay, all you have to do is click enter, and there you go, it's cloning. Okay, so it's gonna be fast because it's just one branch, as you can see here. I don't know if I can make it big. Okay, I'm sorry. There you go. So it's cloning. So after this is done, all you have to do is just go to your C3, and it will prompt you to update your Agnos, the operating system. Even though you're downgrading, let's say you're on 092, because this is 0817, so that's a downgrade from a newer Agnos to an older Agnos. It will still say, do you want to update? Okay, all you have to do is just click yes, and then it will it will do the rest. Okay, so this is ready for the Accord. If you have an Accord, there's nothing to do, and that's it. Only one click install, and you're ready to go. Okay, guys. Let me see here. Let's just wait. 90. And if you have a Civic or other Hondas, all you have to do is find out your steer ratio, and then you go from there. The learn ratio, okay. It's in the comment, okay. So there you go, it's done. So remote. So basically, it's rebooting. Okay, all you have to do is just go to your C3 and just press next for the update, and that's it, guys. And it should reboot. It will take a while, give or take 10-15 minutes, and that's it. And then just do a reboot. It will reboot by itself, and then you should be ready to go. Okay, guys, thank you. Okay, bye.